Hi, I know I'm going to put my hands on a very constructive topic today, but I'm pretty sure you'll be able to grab more important information in the end of this vlog. Because I learn things in a way that encourage myself to be a little bit ahead of average people does in many things. Welcome to M High Club, welcome to another episode, and thank you very much for joining me on this vlog today. If you would be interested in any kind of educational, motivative and informational vlogs, subscribe to My Club and hit the notification bell. And follow me on Facebook and Instagram. So the topic that I'm going to talk today is how can I be more productive in order to meet the career demands in a situation where I've been laid off or redundant from my current job. As you may already know, there are so many positions have been made redundant across different parts of sectors, organizations, companies and industries due to COVID-19 pandemic. The strongest challenge that we have in front of us is to find another job or start a new venture as fast as we can. For the records, I'm not trying to play the role of a career advisor here. What I'm sharing with you is what I have done, what I've experienced and what I've learned from many different ways. Now, when the days were bright and high, we never thought of upgrading our skill set or gaining academic qualifications. But when things goes out of the blue, that's the time we realize to find that missing part in our life. But that's not the case always. If you have the will and the courage to learn something new, you can always break the barrier between you and your skill demands. First thing is first, you gotta be social media savvy. Because nowadays, everything is on the internet. Your courses, your jobs, your CV, your events, you name it. Everything comes as a web address for you to gain access. So you gotta spend some time on finding like-minded people and communities. Compelling resume on social media platforms like LinkedIn and have it documented in your email in case if any employer require. And also make sure to keep an eye on those career development programs, podcasts and events because they're gonna help you a long way. As you can see, I have listed some of the job hunt platforms for you to create a new profile and look for some job openings or to get noticed by the recruiters. With that all set, sign up for free or low-cost online educational programs. The offline courses are no longer a valid option where you have the time to set up, sitting at your own comfortable space and doing the course by your own pace. What my recommendation is to keep about an hour or two each day to learn a new skill set. When it comes to online courses, LinkedIn Learning is top recommended and trust me, it's worth. Or if you got your credentials from any other platforms, consider getting it certified over a few bucks and be sure to publish that credential on your other platforms which you have already created. Network, network, network. Build your own network in your profession and do not hesitate to ask for any assistance whenever you need. More you connect with people, more you get to see new posts and more you grab information in your area of profession. So be sure to make use of those community groups and like-minded professionals who can absolutely influence in times of need. And the other thing is, if you know someone personally who has worked with you or heard from others, in LinkedIn, there's a way that you can give recommendation or endorse for their best skills or give kudos for work alongside you. Will definitely help their profile to be looks professional, especially when they are new to LinkedIn. So go ahead and support your peers and don't hesitate to request for recommendation or endorsements if they know you very well. Formal education and vocational training. Formal education is basically your higher degree or your PhD. But there are so many other facts to consider if you want to put your efforts in your formal education. But what you can consider is your vocational training. Just a couple of years of basic training in theory and practical, then you're good to go. Time and money wise, it's pretty much less, but the demands are increasing in all parts of the world. These jobs are highly paid right now in the market, and the best thing is you can apply for jobs in the same field while you engage with your training. Freelancing your skills. Freelancing is a great way of taking your skills to the next level. If you're good at any of these needs, which can be sold at a very decent price at any of these renowned freelance websites. So think about it. Maybe I haven't mentioned, but there is always something that you would love to be a part of. So In a situation where you're trying hard to find a way out of the anxiety and you still want to be a part of the corporate culture, you need to improve your corporate skills in order to match the lines between you and your perfect job. Remember, every day is counted when you're sitting idle doing nothing. And don't think that your dream job will land in your hand without an effort. And don't stop learning new skills even if you are comfortable at your current job. And most importantly, try your best to be the strongest individual employee that any company would never want to dismiss under any given circumstances. Thank you very much for your valuable time. Let's see you on another informative, educational and motivational vlog. Remember the name? Aim High Club. Subscribe, follow, and like. Till I see you again, stay safe, stay strong.